Here is a fun puzzle. A queue is first in, first out, but a stack is last in, first out. They are opposites. So can we build a stack when the only tool we have behaves like a queue? Yes, with one neat trick. Every time we push, we rotate the queue so the newest item is dragged around to the front. The trick is to fix up the order the moment we push. We add the new item to the back of the queue, and then we take each older item off the front and send it to the back one at a time. After that spin, the brand new item has bubbled all the way to the front. So the queue, which normally serves the oldest item first, now serves the newest item first, and that is exactly the last in, first out order a stack needs. We keep one queue. On push, we append the new item, then we rotate, take everything that was already there off the front and put it back on the end. So the new item ends up at the front. After that, top just reads the front, and pop just removes the front because the newest item is already sitting there. Let's build it and confirm we really get last and first out of a queue. We use one double-ended queue as our single storage. Push adds the item, then rotates every older item behind it so the newest lands at the front. Because the newest is at the front, top reads the front and pop removes the front. Now let's test it and hit run. It works. We push 10, 20, and 30, and the top comes back as 30, the newest one. Popping gives 30, then 20 in true stack order, even though the storage underneath is a queue. The whole idea in one picture. Add the new item, rotate the older items around behind it, and now the newest sits at the front. So popping the front gives last in, first out. Where does the cost go? The rotation touches every older item, so push is order n. In return, pop and top are order 1 because the work was already done. Space is order n for the items. This design makes push expensive so that pop stays cheap. 3 things to watch. First, rotate exactly the count -1 times. Go 1 too far and the new item spins right back to the end. Second, keep all the shuffling inside push so that pop and top stay trivial. And third, never read the front of an empty queue.